Hi everyone, I'm Chef Andrea and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be making tartare meat, and it is a Mexican dish that my mom used to make when I was a little girl, and I've loved it ever since. And although it wasn't prepared regularly, I always got excited when it was being made because of all the lemon juice, and it's just something that I really enjoy. But before we get into our savory dish today, let's learn about conditionals. Conditionals are talking about things that are always true, like a math formula. And the structure for a conditional is if plus a present tense equals a simple present tense. So for example, if you pay attention in class, then you will understand the course materials. So how does this tie into the cooking world? Well, an example would be, if you practice your cooking, then you will get more comfortable with cooking methods and the ingredients. So, what you will be needing for today's recipe is half a pound of grounded beef, 1 cup of diced cucumbers, 1 cup of diced tomatoes, half a cup of chopped onion, and 1/4 cup of cilantro, and you want roughly 1 to 2 cups of lemon juice and some tostadas for when it's finished. So first, what you want to do is squeeze in your lemons into your grounded beef. You can squeeze them by hand, but I'm going to use my lemon squeezer, and you're just gonna squeeze it all into your beef. And while you're squeezing them, you want to break apart your meat so that it's all well incorporated and the beef can get cooked thoroughly. Once you've squeezed in all of your lemon juice into your grounded beef, you're going to want to cover it up and let it soak in the fridge for roughly 3.5 to 4 hours. And I used about 1 cup of lemon juice, but at the 2-hour mark, you want to go ahead and check up on this and perhaps add more lemon juice, just because the beef is going to be soaking up the lemon juice, and you might want to add more to make sure that the beef is cooked. Once your ground beef is all well cooked from the lemon juice, it should look brown and there shouldn't be any more red meat, and this is when you know it's all done. And now we're going to just add in all of our ingredients. So I'll start with my onion, tomatoes, cucumber, and my cilantro. And now you're just going to mix everything together. Once everything is well mixed together, then it's ready to serve. And you can serve it on a tostada like I'm going to, or you can also use saltine crackers, but it's just a preference. And I'm going to use a tostada with mayonnaise, which is also a preference. I think it's good with the mayonnaise because it balances out with all the lemon juice. And you just serve it. And that's it. I hope you enjoy, everyone. Today we learned how to make tartare meat, and we learned what conditionals are. Conditionals are talking about things that are always true, and the structure for a conditional is if plus present tense equals simple present tense. Until next time, I hope you enjoy.